Hello pot stickers, here is an easy and absolutely delicious garlic and chili fried rice. For the aromatics in this recipe, I'm chopping up about 1/4 of a red onion. I'm also chopping up 5 green onions, and you can see that I'm separating the white part. I'm going to add that to the red onion and cook that initially, and the green parts I'll save to add near the end of cooking. This is garlic fried rice after all, so I'm using a whole head of garlic, about 7 or 8 cloves. This is chopped coarsely because I like pieces of garlic in this recipe. The other things you're going to need are some kind of a chili, you're going to need some soy sauce, and I like to add a little bit of vinegar. This rice comes together quickly. Here you can see I'm heating up my well-seasoned and well-used carbon steel wok on high. Once that pan gets hot, I'm adding about a tablespoon of oil around the sides of the pans. In go the onions. Stir that around for a few seconds in the oil and then add the garlic. Stir fry these together for about a minute. Be careful not to burn the garlic. You want the garlic flavor, but burned garlic tastes bitter and you don't want that in your fried rice. For the chili component, I'm using Laugan Ma chili crisp. This is one of my favorites. But you could add any kind of Chinese chili oil or chili paste that you like, whatever you like. I'm adding 2 heaping teaspoons because I want that chili. Fry the chilies with the other aromatics for about a minute. Now for the rice. I'm adding to this about 4 cups of rice that is left over from a couple days ago. It is important to make fried rice using leftover rice. You want that to be cold, and as it sits in the fridge for a couple of days, the grains dry out just a little bit and it makes them separate beautifully. And that's what they use for fried rice. Fried rice is a dish that was invented to use up leftovers anyway. So whenever I make rice, I make extra so that I can have some in the fridge to make fried rice the next day. The other thing I like to do with leftover rice is to make a kind of a quick congee porridge with it. I think I'll show you that soon in another video. Stir fry the rice, breaking up any clumps until all the grains are separated and seasoned with the flavored oils. Once you start to see some toasting of the rice, you're getting to the end. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce around the outside of the wok. I'm also adding 1 tablespoon of Chinese black vinegar for a little bit of sourness and a little bit of complexity of flavor. If you want to use white vinegar or rice vinegar, both work well for this as well. It is important to add these around the edge of the wok so that they get a sear as they hit that hot pan before it hits the food. That really elevates the flavors of the soy sauce and the vinegar. Stir that all up together and then finally add your green onions. I just love easy, fast weeknight dinners, and this is so quick and easy to make, but also very, very tasty. I serve this rice with my quick and easy 15-minute sesame seitan, which you can learn how to make by watching this video right here.